Meanwhile, is the real estate sector back on the road to recovery? Well, private equity players sure seem attracted to this sector, including some of the marquee names amongst global investors. They're lining up good chunks of capital to invest in select developers across the country. So, what is it that these funds know that we don't? Nikhil Narayan Sivadas has this report.
A little over $430 million. That's the amount global private equity and investment giants Warburg Pincus and Goldman Sachs are investing in real estate major Piramal Realty. A huge endorsement of the global investor community's faith in the Indian real estate sector.
They will invest at the entity level. So the idea is to really build a great company together. It's not a platform level investment.
Data from Cushman & Wakefield show a 16% increase in investments, with a little over 6,000 crores invested by global and domestic funds in just the second quarter of 2015. But why are these funds betting on the sector now? Fund houses see opportunity in the mid and affordable housing market thanks to its resilient demand and the government's push for housing for all. Meanwhile, global fund houses like Blackstone and GIC continue to favor commercial real estate and are on a buying spree. Clearly, investors are expecting high returns and growth.
We think that rentals will definitely go up as supply gets utilized, because most of the developers have concentrated more on residential and much lesser on commercial. So I think commercial also offers a very, very good scope as far as getting in at attractive valuations, stable yields and expectation of a capital appreciation going forward.
It's clear that commercial real estate and affordable housing are the segments to be in, and it may be worthwhile for domestic investors to take cues from these global giants and invest in these segments. The rise in private equity investments also holds other benefits for the average home buyer. Developers today are increasingly using the capital to finish stalled projects and expand their business, which may be a relief to home buyers who have been left scarred by delays.
There is a need that's being felt that the developers need to focus on core development, core execution, and possibly deliver their balance sheet in some extent.
Private equity players are focusing on national players who have strong balance sheets and the ability to scale up effectively. Global funds are also ensuring that developers don't overextend themselves on too many projects and rather focus on specific projects which can be executed in time. This minimizes risks and makes these developers ideal investment destinations. From Mumbai, Nikhil Narayan Sivadas, NDTV.